Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we untangle the confusing world of corporate filings and find the hidden gold. Today we're digging into NexMetals Mining Corp and what they're telling the world on September 3rd, 2025. It looks like they're sharing some news about their mining operations, and we're here to tell you what it really means. If you like getting straight answers about companies, make sure you're subscribed and join our Discord community in the description below for more insights. Alright, so what we have here is a Form 8K filing from NexMetals Mining Corp. Think of an 8K as a company's way of telling the public about important things that are happening right now, the kind of stuff that could move the stock price. This particular filing is all about what they call other events. It's not a deep dive into their finances like a quarterly report, but it does point to some key developments. The main event here is that on September 3rd, 2025, NexMetals put out a news release. And what was in this news release? It was all about the results of their metallurgical program at the Celebi mines in Botswana. Now, even if you're not a mining expert, metallurgical program basically means they've been testing the ore from their mines to see how much valuable metal they can actually get out of it and how easily. This is super important because a mine might have a ton of rock, but if you can't extract the precious metals efficiently, it's not worth much. This news release is attached as an exhibit to this filing, so we know it's the official word from the company. They're saying, essentially, here's the latest update on whether our mines in Botswana are living up to their potential. This tells us that the company is focused on operational updates and showing progress in getting the valuable stuff out of the ground. Quickly, let's look at how the company trades. NexMetals Mining Corp has its common shares listed on the Nasdaq Capital Market under the ticker symbol NEXM. This is where you'd go to buy or sell their stock if you were an investor. Being on Nasdaq means they've met certain standards and are available to a wide range of investors. When we look at the end of the report, it also lists out the exhibits, and the main one we're referencing is that press release from September 3rd. There's also a mention of a cover page interactive data file, which is a standard parts release detailing the mining results. Now, what's the story here? NexMetals is a mining company, and mining is all about discovery and extraction. This filing through its reference press release is a progress report on how effective they are at extracting metals from their Botswana mines. The results of a metallurgical program can be a huge deal. If they found that the ore is richer than expected or that they can extract the metals more easily and cheaply, that's fantastic news. It means their operations are more easily and cheaply. That's fantastic news. It means their operations are more efficient, potentially more profitable, and the mine itself might be worth more. On the flip side, if the results were disappointing, it could mean higher costs, lower yields, and a re-evaluation of the mine's value. While this 8K doesn't give us hard financial numbers like revenue or profit, the results of a metallurgical program directly impact future financial performance. Better extraction rates mean lower operating costs per ounce of metal produced, which directly boosts profit margins. It can also mean they can bring more product to market faster, potentially increasing sales volume. So even though we don't have the actual financial statements in this specific filing, this update is a crucial indicator of the company's future earning potential from these specific assets. Think about it this way. If you owned a bakery and you just found out your new oven significantly cuts down the baking time for your most popular cake, that's great news. It means you can bake more cakes, sell more cakes, and make more money, even though your income statement isn't updated until the end of the quarter. This is similar for NexMetals. They're announcing a significant factor that will likely improve their financial health, assuming the metallurgical results are positive. Without the actual press release content here, we have to infer the general impact. Companies usually issue press releases about these kinds of results when they are favourable or at least interesting enough to share with the markets. It's a way to keep investors informed about operational progress and potential value creation. For a mining company, updates on resource quality and extraction efficiency are arguably the most critical operational news they can share, directly influencing the perceived value of their assets. So to sum it up, NexMetals is reporting on a key operational milestone in Botswana. They're showing the market that they're actively working on optimizing their mining processes and reporting on the results. This is the kind of granular detail that can tell us a lot about a company's long-term prospects. Investors will be looking at the details in that press release to gauge how successful this metallurgical program was and what it means for the profitability and future of the Celebi mines. Now looking at NexMetals Mining Corp. Broadly, if we were to consider their overall business strategy, a company focused on mining operations like this lives and dies by the quality of its resources and the efficiency of its extraction. Their success hinges on finding valuable mineral deposits and then being able to pull those minerals out of the ground profitably. Updates on metallurgical programs are thus fundamental to understanding their operational health and their ability to generate returns for shareholders. We'd want to see if these results align with their stated production targets and cost estimates. This test hinges on finding valuable mineral deposits and then being able to pull those minerals out of the ground profitably. Updates on metallurgical programs are thus fundamental to understanding their operational health and their ability to generate returns for shareholders. We'd want to see if these results align with their stated production targets and cost estimates. In terms of risks, mining is inherently risky. Commodity price fluctuations, environmental regulations, political stability in operating countries, and operational challenges are all significant factors. This particular filing doesn't delve into these risks, but any investor in a company like NexMetals needs to be aware of them. The success of any mining operation is a blend of geology, engineering, and economics, and a positive metallurgical report is a strong step in the right direction, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. My take on this filing is that it's a positive signal of active management and operational focus. While it's light on hard financial numbers, the announcement of metallurgical program results is a direct indicator of potential future financial performance. It suggests that NexMetals is diligently working to maximize the value of its mining assets. The key for investors now is to read that press release and understand the specifics of these results. Were the recovery rates higher than expected? Were the processing costs lower? These details will tell the real story. If the news is good, it could lead to upgraded resource estimates and improved cost structures, which is a strong foundation for a mining company. Alright, that's our quick decode of this NexMetals Mining Corp filing. What's your take on the importance of metallurgical programs in mining? What do you think these results mean for the company? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more straight shooting corporate analysis. And don't forget to join our Discord community for even deeper dives and discussions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode of Corporate Decoder.